Skip Landis, Trey Pitts. Three laps in, 22 still to go. Dennis Wilson, Mike Wilson, Jimmy McLeod, Trey Pitts. After he spun there, just stayed in the gas after he was spun. Lights off. Field's being told we're going to go green next time by an exit of turn 4 here. Green flags in the air. Robbins for Mike Pitts pulls the 13-17 car to the infield. I'm gonna call that restart back anyhow. It's been a heck of a night for these restarts here. I think next week in the drivers meeting, maybe need to tell them there needs to be some penalties for these improper restarts. We've seen enough of them tonight. Cautions out for the 7 car of Dalton DeGroff on their restarts, being told to tag the tail end of the field. That's going to move Tyler Landis in the K29 up to the front row. Dennis Wilson outside. Mike Wilson second row. Jimmy McLeod. Nice looking 04 car. Jimmy McLeod, Roger Blevins, Chance Sauceman, Shane Bennett rounds out the top 7. Dennis Wilson looking to the inside of Tyler Landis. Tyler Landis on the outside. Side by side, long slide up front. Both cars coming together. Problems for the K29 and Tyler Landis stopping up in turn 2 over there. Mike Wilson, Dennis Wilson, Roger Blevins, Shane Bennett, Jimmy McLeod, Chance Saucerman. Green flag is in the air. out front, coming up on some laps of Casey Lewis. Roger Blevins on his back bumper, though. The battle shaping up for the lead. Roger Blevins going to the inside. Caution is out, so we are going to go back to the last completed lap. So Dennis Wilson will retain the lead. Field's ready to go. 5 more laps here to settle this one. Jimmy McLeod in the 04 pulls to the inside. Going to exit the track there. I believe that call was the restart was going to be called back. Dalton DeGroff in the 7 car. Green flag is in the air. Mike Wilson and Cole Bristol. Mike Wilson second. DeGroff back up to third. Chance Saucerman. Blevins with the win. Mike Wilson second. Dalton DeGroff, Shane Bennett, Chance Saucerman, Cole Bristol, Casey Lewis, Dennis Wilson, Jimmy McLeod. Josh Jenerick rounds out the top 10. Tyler Landis 11, Kellen Carpenter 12th, Dustin Wilson 13th, Mike Pitts 14th, Trey Pitts 15th, and George Gorham III in the 16th position. Climbing out of his car, Roger Blevins in the K9. Victory lane once again tonight. Double duty, double victories. Get it in there real quick. I'll make my way back here to Mike Wilson while he's getting his picture taken. Mike, once again, another race of attrition. A lot of beating and banging there, but you're able to keep this thing in the top 3.
Yeah, I mean, that was a hard race. I mean, it was fun. It was hard. We still ain't where we need to be, but we'll be getting there.
Congratulations. Who do you want to thank?
I thank Cody Gray. He put this car together for me. We run it together as part of the deal, and if it wasn't for him, the thing wouldn't be here. We ain't done making it fast.
All right, congratulations. See if I can make my way back. Where'd Roger go? Oh, he's sneaking up on me. Roger, double duty, double victories tonight. That's the young man's game there.
Yeah, first time I raced one of these Crown Vics. It was fun, but then again, it's kind of, I don't know, it's all over the place.
Yeah, absolutely.
But it was fun.
Who do you want to thank for this car?
Thank my buddy. Me driving.
We're getting tired. Mike's getting tired. Dalton come from the rear a couple times, able to get the thing back up here in the top 3, man. Who do you want to thank?
Thank my family, Miller's Insulation, I guess there's a few new rules I didn't know about. The first 2 starts I fired in the exact same spot and they didn't send me to the back, and then I didn't pass his back bumper before the start finish line, but I ain't too mad coming from the back about 5 times, so it is what it is.
Yeah, all right, congratulations. Appreciate you coming out, though. Folks, if you're making your way out, on behalf of Rex and Collect Guy, I want to thank you for coming to Auburndale Speedway. Please drive safe on your way home. Leave the speeding in the chaos for the racetrack.
Go to patreon.com/speedwayvideo now.